Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club. And as we head into the Friday close, both the S&P 500 and Nasdaq are trading at record highs and looking to close out the week at those levels. And this is all due to better than expected jobs report that came out today, where the U.S. economy added 128,000 jobs in October versus an expected gain of about 75,000 jobs. So take a look at like we usually do on the S&P 500 on a weekly chart, currently trading at 3,062.72, up 1.3% on the week, with a chart analysis score of plus 100, indicating that overall we are in a long-term uptrend as we push the record ceiling up, marking its fourth straight week of gains. Key level to watch will be 2,962.94. A move below that level could issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position. Dollar index, on the other hand, not having such a great week, down 0.6% right now, trading at 97.19 with a chart analysis score negative 70, indicating that overall we are in a sidelines position for the dollar index. Key level to watch will be 98.64. Need a move above that level to issue a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a long position for the US dollar. Dow Jones currently trading at 27,282.05 with a chart analysis score plus 100, up about 1.2% on the week, indicating that we are still in a long-term uptrend. This market's second week of gains after having a slight loss 3 weeks ago. Key level to watch would be 26,714.34. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position for the Dow. Nasdaq, like the S&P 500, hitting record highs at 8,376.21. Just trading below that right now with a chart analysis score plus 100, indicating that overall we are still in a long-term uptrend for the Nasdaq. Key level to watch should be 8,036.41. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position for the Nasdaq. Gold currently trading above the $1,500 level at 1,510.50, triggering a new green daily trade triangle earlier in the week, indicating now with a chart analysis score that we are in a true sidelines position for gold across the board. Key level to watch will be 1,496. A move below that level would issue a red daily trade triangle, indicating a move back to a short-term short position for gold. Crude oil losing after big gains last week, losing 1.1% this week with a chart analysis score plus 70, indicating that overall we are in a sidelines position, but the short-term trend is up with a matching weekly and green daily trade triangle trading at 55.99. Key level to watch for crude oil will be 54.07. A move below that level would issue a red daily trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position for crude oil. Take a look at Bitcoin, currently trading at 9,192.76, right above its 200-day and 50-day moving average presently, with a chart analysis score plus 55, indicating that we are in a true sidelines position for Bitcoin after we had the big bounce back on the 25th, gaining 30% in one day. So that just speaks to Bitcoin's volatility. However, we do have the 50-day crossing over the 200-day that we can see right here. So we'll have to see if this move higher continues. It's kind of flattened out this week. However, we'll keep an eye on 7,293.55. Need a move back below that level to issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a short position for Bitcoin. With that, every success. Have a great weekend, and I'll be back next week with some market videos.